Very happy New Year to all of you. Well, this is a short press conference just to clarify a few matters on the issue at hand. I want to say on Monday, the 26th day of January 2026, I drove down from Alka here. Well, after prior warnings, because we had actually informed all markets in Onitsha, especially main market, that they must be open or they will be shut down. Drove through the streets. In some place near Wuse, the traders were we took effort for us to even drive through because the traders were on the road, trading, busy, everywhere else bustling. Then you drive to main market, a government-owned market, which is the largest market in West Africa, and the place was under lock and key, except a few shops that were open and so on. And we decided to shut it down for the remainder of this week, and it will remain shut down. This is a struggle for the soul of Anambra's future. Like almost 80% of the people have given us mandate to protect and promote their welfare and security. And that we must remain committed to doing 24/7 every day. Because Monday is almost the most important day of the week. That's when suppliers, the people demanding for goods, that's when they must go and open up. So if you are not opening, people are opening, relocating elsewhere. That's what we mean by the cost to the state. The place will keep getting down and down economically. And like I said before, we're not going to train our children in the 21st century by going to school 4 days a week. Absolute nonsense. And this, of course, obviously has stopped. We're going to open the schools and we're going to take the same measures. If you are running a private school, if you are not open, I'll come and slam it and lock it up. Because we've given you the permission to operate there as a school. And in Anambra, the school days are Monday through Friday. For the sake of this state, for our children, for these poor people, poor traders, poor farmers, and who depend on these markets being open, we cannot have this. So the struggle is to save the economy of Anambra, secure our future, save our children, keep our markets open, and reassure our investors who are pouring in now that Anambra is not a 4-day week. It's a 5 or 6 day week. We need to reassure everybody. We are open for business. Anambra is certainly one of the largest economies in Nigeria. You can't count 1 to 5 and you don't count Anambra State. A time comes when you must either stand up for truth or be drowned. We don't want to deal with this and pull out the full weight of the law. But if we are pushed, we are not even shy to deploy them. Under normal days, on Mondays, you are everywhere, playing in the streets. That's the day now you go for sporting. That's the day you have neighborhood meetings and you say it is sit at home. You're not sitting at home. It's now calculated economic sabotage to bring down Onitsha, to bring down Newi, to bring down the economy of the state. And I will tell you what, you can do that with any other person, but not with this governor standing here. We are determined on behalf of the Anambra people, we must take back our state. We are going to take back our state, whatever it costs. We are determined. It's not yet 100%. We're still massively launching massive onslaught on these criminal elements in our state. And Anambra is currently, without any doubt, one of the safest states in Nigeria. We claim to be the safest, but probably at least even the enemy will agree that we're one of the safest states in Nigeria. And the main market for now, as it is currently structured, as our biggest market, Newi, all these markets, building materials, head bridge, this and so on and so forth. Because by Monday, those of them, any of them that fails to be open again, going to be locked, maybe for 2 weeks. I'm not joking with this. We're very clear about what must happen. The new Anambra that we are spending 24/7 building must come to happen. God has willed it, and we humans must make it happen. Thank you very much, and God bless you.